Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today I have an update for Bitcoin. Where do we see Bitcoin going from here? Currently down over 2%, nearly 3% on the day. And the question is, are we going to see Bitcoin make a full-fledged recovery and lead us to all-time highs this year? Or is the bull run over? Is it time for us to pack our bags? That's what we're discussing in today's video. But before we go any further, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out any updates like this. And check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. It is a multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial wallet that, again, I use myself and everyone on the team does as well. It has 60 plus chains supported, clean UI. Definitely check this one out. But back to Bitcoin, let's go ahead and take a look at what's been going on and a little bit of price action. On the day, down about 3%. On the week, also down about 3%. On the month, down only 4%. Yet the whole world seems to be going on a frenzy. It's over. Yet large institutions continue to buy Bitcoin. 2025 may go down in history as a year of flat Bitcoin. For the first time, Bitcoin could spend for the first time, BTC could spend an entire year without major highs or crashes, a steady sideways pace. The scalability signals a mature market where liquidity from top exchanges like Whitebit, Coinbase, and Kraken support smoother cycles and measured price action instead of chaos. Consolidation is not stagnation. It's what strong markets are built on. So again, for all those who are panicking, we're ever seeing Bitcoin go to 125 and back to 107, the world seems to be thinking the crypto's on fire, it's going to the red, it's over. When in reality, we're actually starting to see a very stable floor for Bitcoin without any major highs or major lows. We're just finding our comfortable zone in the 110s. I know it's at 107, but I believe 110, 112 to be the true center point of Bitcoin. Does this mean we're not going to see any more all-time highs from here? I personally believe we're actually going to end October strong. Once money starts flowing back in, that's when I really think we're going to see a massive shift in market. Talking about money flowing in Bitcoin, there's a lot of money flowing into this new Bitcoin altcoin. It's called Bitcoin Hyper. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. Bitcoin Hyper is bringing L2 technology to Bitcoin to help bring faster and more deliverable Bitcoin. Bitcoin Hyper pre-sale by Hyper before powers the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. Bitcoin Hyper will finally unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin for payments, meme coins, and dApps. So again, more buildability on Bitcoin. They have reached over $24.5 million in their pre-sale, and 19 hours are set to have their next price increase. Plus, take advantage of their 48% stake in reward for early investors. Looks like Bitcoin's absolutely going to send, and Bitcoin Hyper is going to follow suit. If you're interested in buying to the pre-sale, you can buy directly from the website with card or crypto, and I'm leaving the link in the description box below. But back to Bitcoin, looks like a bullish future ahead is coming for Bitcoin, and more money is flowing back in. Let's go ahead and take a look. BlackRock is pulling Bitcoin's whales into Wall Street orbit. It's not letting me read the article, but essentially money is continuing to flow back into Bitcoin. We see gold sinks, Bitcoin plunges as debasement trade stumbles. The biggest crypto wipeout has led not by Bitcoin, but much smaller tokens. We're seeing a lot of people talking about what's going to happen from here. So 2.5 trillion wipeout in the last 2 days. It's over for gold. Can Bitcoin continue to pump now? So now that gold is seeing a little bit of a pullback, looks like we're going to start seeing some building from here. Update: Insider Whales is up 38 million on BTC, Hype, Aster, and other shorts. His 100% win rate is still unbroken. So again, he knows something. Insider Bitcoin whale has started closing his Bitcoin short positions. Looks like the pump could continue from here. Everyone's watching BTC very closely, as this is really going to show how the rest of the market plays out. Now, on the day, we're down about 3%. Fear and Greediness is currently at 29 fear. Altcoins in 29 at 100, and RSI in the low 40s. Looks like we're going to have a little bit longer of this red period before we see a full cycle pump from here. But again, if you want to get regular Bitcoin and altcoin news, do make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, as we're watching the markets very closely here on the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Now that wraps the video. I'll see you guys all next one. Remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the crypto we cover on this channel. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.